Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, September 8th, and we're going to take a look here at BIDU. Now, this is a trade we've been swinging long from around the $86 area for several weeks now. Looking for this to bounce with the rest of the China names. So we're long things like BIDU, JD, PDD. We've been long BABA, but we closed all that out on this pop we had recently, and we're looking for a bigger pullback to re-enter. But with BIDU, this is what we're currently sitting on. We have January 2027 $95 Cs, so they're in the money now, looking good. We're up about 96% as of making this video. We've already taken off partial profit, but this is looking good for a bigger move. And the reason it's looking good for the bigger move is if you look at our weekly chart, we've been basing here really for the past year. And we just broke out. So since last October, we've been down here basing above the 80 to 90, just chopping around 80 to 90 area. We've finally broken out of this and gapped up this week. Now our 200-week moving average is going to come into resistance right at about the same spot that our previous pivot highs are, which is up at the 115 zone. And that's where I'm looking to take off the rest, like between 113 and 115, where I'm looking to take off the rest of my longs and then look for a dip for a re-entry. But if we can break through ultimately a 116 and a quarter, which is the pivot high back here, we could very easily see this thing pop all the way back up to like the 125 area. And really our next major resistance is all the way up at 150 to 160. So a long way to go if we can break through the rest of these pivot highs here, get to that resistance, get to that 200-week moving average. And then again, like I said, it's kind of clear skies all the way up to another big resistance zone, 150 to 160. So keep an eye on it. BIDU does look good for now. Like I said, I'm still long with those 2027 calls and plan on continuing to hold them for the foreseeable future. But once we get up to that 115 area, I'll reassess and then talk about potentially taking off some more and then adding on a dip or adding back on once we break through the resistance. But that's it for now. I hope it helps. Don't forget to follow us at Basecamp Trading as well. And you can follow me on Twitter or X, I should say, at Trades with Tom. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody. Happy trading.